This is bamboo as it's traditionally used in building and design. It's built on the knowledge from craftsmen that takes years to master, which leaves outsiders with little room to innovate on their own. As innovators, our shared desire to make this super abundant, renewable material accessible to the whole world brought us together to examine how we can bridge the gap. Here at Bamboo U, we're questioning what is the future of bamboo, and can we combine it with 3D printing and plastic recycling techniques? Our initial investigation started with a collective research experiment where we brainstormed the various bamboo processes we studied at Bamboo U and decided to focus on an innovative bamboo joint. We took a walk around the Cool farm, wondering where our design could have the greatest impact. Our search led us to the farm stand, where we noticed the need for adaptable shelving for the store and the weekly market. Looking through our library of ideas, we combined several styles until a breakthrough.
Eureka! We got it!
This concept focused on how we could connect two unique pieces of bamboo without having to measure the diameter. We heated the plastic bottle's screw top to the end of the bamboo, creating the connection we needed between the inconsistency of bamboo and the precision of 3D printing. This technique of inexpensive modular building can be applied in furniture as well as architecture and can be implemented anywhere there is a need for on-demand structures.
So the future of bamboo is to replace all other kinds of wood, regular wood, and also make out of dishes and houses and all that.
We realize this investigation allows us to spread bamboo to more hands of the world, and we believe this sustainable material is the future.